Hi, this is Maria from Crochet A to Z, and welcome to the channel. If you haven't subscribed yet, please push that subscribe button. If you have, I want to thank you. I want to thank everyone for being here. And please also push the like button because it does help get the algorithms out there so everyone can find this channel. So today I wanted to do a piece-by-piece tutorial on the chicken that I showed. So I'm going to do this in different portions. So the first part we're going to do is the starter. So we're going to do our slip knot, and then after that we're going to chain 1, 2, 3, and 4. This is for our chicken hot pad. So once we chain 4, we're going to do a slip stitch in that first chain that we made, and we're going to go right through and do a slip stitch. Once we do our slip stitch, we're going to chain 1, 2, and 3. Now once we chain 3, we're going to make 11 more double crochets in that hook, in that spot right there in the center. I want to mention that that first chain 3 is a double crochet. So now we're going to do 11 more. So that's 1, and this is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. And we're going to count just to make sure that's how many we have. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. See, this is why I always say you want to make sure you count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. So we do have 12. Make sure you count that chain 3. So once we do that, we're going to chain 1, 2, and 3. And I want to mention we're not going to join this. Once we chain 3, and you want to make sure that these are, you have a space. You chain 3 and you're going to turn your work. That chain 3 counts as a double crochet. Now you're going to double crochet in each of the stitches. So we're going to chain 3 is your first double crochet, and then we're going to chain, see that chain 3 is your first double crochet. We're going to make 24 double crochets. We're going to make 2 double crochets in each stitch. So we're going to go back in there and make a double crochet, and then 2 double crochets in the next stitch, and like I said, I'm going to go do this in portions, and 2 double crochets in each stitch as we go around. You want to have 24 double crochets. And we're going to do this all the way around. Two double crochets in each of the stitches that you made, and you made 12. We're doubling them, so you're going to have 24. And make sure that you don't miss that last stitch too, which is that chain stitch at the end. And then we're going to count how many we have. And I want to mention that if you keep these, this will give you the opening you need. So they're close together. So we're going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. See the opening? Okay, once we do the 24, this is row 1, row 2. We're going to chain 1, chain 2, and chain 3. And you're going to turn your work. That first chain 3 counts as a double crochet. Now you're going to put 2 double crochets in the next stitch. 1 and 2. In the next stitch, you're going to put 1 double crochet. In the next stitch, you're going to put 2 double crochets. And you're going to repeat this all the way around. And on this row, you should have 36 double crochets. And we will count them as we go around. And I'm probably going to do this in 2 videos. So we made 2, 1, 2. And we want to end with 36 double crochets in this round. And I'm not using a cotton yarn, I'm using an acrylic, because I just am doing this to show it to you. And because you can do them in acrylic if you want to give it as a gift that is just decorative. And that's what this is, will end up being, a decorative gift. In cotton, if you're going to use them. And we're going to do this all the way around. And again, this is, we just repeat it. Row 1, row 2, row 3. And the reason why this is getting bigger is because we are adding stitches, so we're increasing. So now this is, again, 1, 2, and your third row. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, and 36. We are golden. So now what we're going to do is, again, we're going to chain 1, chain 2, and chain 3. The chain 3 counts as a double crochet. You're going to turn your work, and that's your first double crochet. So this again is row 1, row 2, row 3, and row 4. You're going to do a double crochet. That's your first one. In the next stitch, you're going to do a double crochet. In the next stitch, you're going to do double crochet, 2 double crochets, double, double, 2 doubles in the next stitch. Next stitch, double, double, and 2 doubles. 1 and 2. Next stitch, 1 and 1 in the next stitch. The next stitch, 2. And we're going to do this all the way around. 1, 1, 2. If you make a mistake, you can pull it out. Got 2. Now you're going to do 1, 1, and 2. One, 1, 2. One, 1, 2. One, 1, and 2. One, 1, and 2. 1, 1, 2. 1, 1, 2. 1, 1. And you're always going to know that if you ended correctly, because your increase will be in the last one. So this is going to end with 2. So you'll always know. So there you go. And then we're going to count that. And I want to show you what I mean. Because you have 2 here, the next one is 1 and 1. So your last one will be your increase. That will be the amount that you increased. And this ended up being 1, 1, 2. So I want to mention that that will be in every row. You will notice that. You will note that. So I just want to mention that. So now let's count. You need 48. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, and 48. We're good. And that's what it looks like. So now this is row 1, row 2, row 3, and row 4. We're going to row 5. We're going to chain 1, chain 2, and chain 3. That equals a double crochet. We're going to turn our work. So we're going to have a double crochet in the first stitch, a double crochet, and a double crochet. So you're going to have 3 double crochets, 1, 2, 3. In the next stitch, you will have 2 together, because the end result of this row will be that you want 60 double crochets in this row. So you're going to do, you did 2, now you're going to do 1, 1, 1, and 2 in the next stitch. So 1, 1, 1, 2 in the next stitch. One, 1, 1, 2 in the next stitch. One, 1, 2 in the next stitch. After you do your 1, 1, 1, and 2 in the next stitch. 3 double crochets in 3 different stitches, and then 2 in 1. 1, 1, 1, 2. And you can see it 1, 1, 1, 2. So you have 2 there. So the next 3 will be 1, 1, 1 in the next 3 stitches. Next it'll be 2 double crochets in the same stitch. Now we're going to do 1, 1, and 1. Now we're going to do 2, because we did 3 double crochets in 3 separate stitches. We're doing 2, so now we're going to do 1, 1, 1, 2 in the next stitch. 1, 1, and 1. So now we're going to do 2. And I'm going to, like I said, I'm going to do this in 2 different sections. So now we did 2, so now we're going to do 1, 1, and 1. Should I say 3 different parts? So now we did 3. Now we're going to do 2 together. We want 60 double crochets in this row. 1, 1, 1, 2 together, and then 1, getting to the end, 1, 1. Sometimes I crochet a little tightly, so. And at the very end, in that last one, we're going to do 2 together, because we're increasing as we go along. So we're going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60. Perfect. So now we have 60 for that row, where this is row 1, row 2, row 3, row 4, and that was row 5. And I want you to look at it again. There's your opening. So once you do that, I just want you to look at it really well. We're going to chain 1 And once we chain one, we're going to single crochet on the sides. So in that opening. So think of this as a piece of pie. You're going to single crochet here and up there. So we're going to crochet, and it doesn't matter how many. You just want to space them out enough, but you're going to do single crochets right up the side. But let's do it. So we're going to do our single crochets right up the sides and we're going to get to the middle. So, because what that's going to do is it's going to give it a nice edging at the end. And like I said, you don't have to have a certain amount. You can kind of tell. Just use your eye to give you, the look that you know you need. Because you can tell. See how nice it is? And you just go right along. And then once you get to the middle here, you're going to do a single crochet right in the middle here. Then after you single crochet, you're going to chain. You can chain anywhere from 12 to 14. Depends on how long you want that to be. So I'm going to do 14. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Now once you do that, you're going to go back in here and you're going to put another single crochet. So I'll show you again. Once you do 12 to 14, if you want to make it longer, you can. You're just going to go back in there and do a single crochet. And there's your little hanger. Now you're going to single crochet right across. And you're going to do the same thing you did on the other side. You're going to just, doesn't matter what the number is, you can just go right across. And what I'm actually doing is working my tail into that, so it's just worked right into that. But you're going to just single crochet right across to give it that edge, to give it a nice, nice look. And I'm going to do this in parts so that you can see where we're going from here. So you're going to go right up that side. See how we single crocheted, gave it a nice edge. And you single crocheted right to the end here. And then what you're going to do is you're going to single crochet to the end of the opening. And then once you're done with that, we're going to go to the next step. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to end this here. And we're going to go to the next step in my next video, in my next tutorial. And I'm going to show you where we go from here. But I wanted to leave you with that first. So meet me in the next video, part 2, and I will show you how we proceed. This is Maria from Crochet A to Z. Hope you have a great day. Hope you have a great evening. Love you all. Bye-bye.